Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video, and today we will be unboxing the 610M wired wireless gaming mouse by Alienware. Go ahead and show you guys the front. There's the left side, and as you can see, there's some embossed designing on the box, which is a very nice touch. And then this is the other side. And here's the bottom. And then the back. Alright, let's go ahead and get this open. Ooh, that's very nice. Alright, seems to be that's all that's in the box. Okay. Alright, so this looks like a USB to, it's hard to see. It looks to be some sort of USB converter. Ah, it's for this. For some weird reason. So you go like this. There we go. Slides right in there. Let's go ahead and read the instructions. Okay. Got the same card that came with the keyboard. And warranty. Sorry, I was folded weird. Warranty, safety, environmental, and regulatory information. So this just seems to be the controller. Ah, there we go. So this seems to have the receiver on the bottom. That would be the wireless receiver. Alright. So I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. This might be some sort of extender. But it does look like it also charges off the same port. There we go. Slides right in, making it a wired mouse or to charge it up. Since it has the same shape as the back of the mouse, I'm assuming this is an extender? Maybe? And with that, I do believe that is the end of our 610M wired wireless gaming mouse by Alienware. So let us know down in the comments which you would like us to unbox next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.